Hello One MATLAB. Today we will see how we can create ABS snapshot policy using Lifecycle Manager in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in EC2 dashboard. In the left hand side, if I scroll down to Elastic Block Store and click on Lifecycle Manager, here you can see Lifecycle policy is our EBS snapshot policy. Click on next step. Here in the target we have two different resources. One is volume and other one is instance. Choose volume. In target source tags, click here in key and choose name, and in the value box it will shows all resources which you have created. You can add each resource one by one. For example, if I click on my test IG, then click on add, we can add maximum 45 resources. As you can see, we have added one resources and now count is 44. If I again click on key box and choose name and click on volume box and choose an other resource, for example I am choosing test server, and click on add button, you can see now our count is 43. Here I am removing one resource. Now scroll down. If you want to add some description for this policy, then we can add description here. Lifecycle Manager needs some extra permissions to perform its task. Leave it as default role, it will create automatically. Now further scroll down. Here in the tags, if we want to add a tag for this resource, then we can add tag. I am leaving it default. In the policy status, verify is it enabled or not, then click on next. Here you can set the schedule details. In schedule name you can give any name. I am leaving it default. In frequency you can set whether you want to take snapshot daily or weekly or monthly or yearly or any custom. After how many time it will take snapshot, so you can increase or decrease the time of your snapshot. Starting time is always shown in UTC. You can set it as per your requirement. There are two different retention types. One is count and other is age. How many count you want to keep? For example, I want to keep 3 counts of our snapshot. After that, scroll down and click on review policy. After reviewing policy, click on create policy. As you can see, our lifecycle policy is created successfully and its status is enabled. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.